up, YouTube? This is Zach and Chris with Dreamedia Home Theater out here unboxing another SVS.
We're just straight out here unboxing stuff.
Like for days.
All day.
Yes. Okay, so we got a Prime Center here now. This goes with your Prime Towers, which we have also unboxed. If you'd like to check that video out. We're also going to do some demos for you guys. If you have anything that you'd like us to do in this room, this is our playground. Drop it in the comments down below and we'll make it happen for you. We really appreciate all of y'all's support and the sales. If you'd like to purchase any SVS product, give us a call. Let's get into this unboxing, Chris. Word to your mother.
Alright, so real quick, this is the Prime Center. And so the cool thing with this is that SVS kind of designs their speakers around the fact that you don't necessarily have to get one of the entire system. So if you want to go ahead and grab the Prime Center and use it as a center channel, you can use it as a surround speaker, you can do whatever you like. And at the same time, you don't necessarily have to just use this with the Prime series. So they kind of timbre matched all their speakers to work together. So that's actually really cool.
This is the registration. If you do not purchase from an authorized reseller like Dreamedia, you may be out of luck if anything happens to your product. Make sure you do your homework. We are an authorized dealer. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed. So there's no reason not to call us. Plus, Chris is the man. He has all the answers regarding SVS. Oh, we got a... Ooh.
Alright, so I think we got a slightly upgraded.
Something's happening over here.
I think we got slightly upgraded on this one because I'm pretty sure I asked for black ash, but they may have been sold out of that one, so we got the upgrade to the piano black. So this one comes in 2 finishes. So if you'd like, you can get the black ash, which is going to be like a more matte finish, or you can get the piano black, which is going to be like a black mirror finish.
It's a good looking speaker.
Yeah. So in the front, you're going to have a grill. That's not magnetic, but you just pop this little grill on, and then it's going to expose the actual speaker itself. This is an 8-ohm speaker, so if you guys have 8-ohm amplifier and 8-ohm AVR, it'll work out perfectly. And if not, then you guys may need to change some settings. All right, so the recommended amplifier power for this one's going to be 20 to 200 watts. And in the front, you're going to have dual 5 1/4 inch mid-bass drivers. You're also going to have a 3 1/2 inch dedicated mid-bass driver, and then a 1 inch dome tweeter. And then on the back, you're going to have some ports that actually let those 5 1/4s breathe. So I'm going to show you guys that right now.
Let me see those bad boys.
Ooh. On the back, it's pretty simple. Just has those binding posts. The profile on this thing is actually pretty small, so you don't necessarily have to worry about finding the space for one of these. These pretty much tuck anywhere that you're going to need to put a center channel.
Okay. Well, that concludes the unboxing of the SVS Prime Center speaker. If you guys would like to purchase this product, just give us a call or shoot us an email. We really appreciate y'all's support. You guys are absolutely fantastic. If you are not one of our subscribers already, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Till next time, this is Zach and Chris with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching, guys.